you see all your, out in the marketplace, you see all your fancy marking contraptions to mark your taps and around pipes and that sort of thing, but before all that came in, this is the way it was done. And I still do it this way because with all the fancy tools, you're marking contraptions with holes in and all that jazz. It's just something else that you've got in your toolkit, and you lose it and it gets bent, and you can't find it half the time. I am like I might be getting on a bit, but I still like the modern ways. I'm not an old fart that sticks to his ways and that's it, but this is one I've stuck to. I don't use nippers either. Half the time they're somewhere in my van and I can't find them, and it's just quicker to cut a small piece off a tile with my grinder. It's there, it's handy. Okay, I'll zap out and cut them. See you in a minute. Right, let's zap these holes. I've still got a bit of tile left in there from last time, so I'll just tap it out. Let's do it. Always hold it or start off on an angle, DIY. If you try and go flat, it'll shoot off and you will stuff your tile. And you'll have to mark it, throw it out, mark another one. So you start on an angle. The diamonds are actually, must be getting a little bit clogged. I'll get a bit of water. It's actually a soft tile, so it shouldn't be sparking like that, which means that this is getting a bit clogged. If I had a brick here or a bit of sandstone, I'd be able to sharpen it. But a little bit of water. Let's go again. See the difference that made? I was about to give it another squirt, but it only took one, and whooshka, there you go.